Okay, so let us study with the second challenge at the time of partition. So first we studied that there was no single belt of Muslim majority area in British India. Now what was the second problem? See, second problem was not all Muslim majority areas wanted to be in Pakistan. Okay, it was decided जहाँ पर ज़्यादा Muslim का majority होगा, that area would be Pakistan. But second major issue was that not all Muslim majority areas wanted to go in Pakistan. So one example is given here, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Okay, he's called the undisputed leader of Northwestern Frontier Province, and he's also called Frontier Gandhi. He did not wanted to go to Pakistan, and therefore he opposed two-nation theory. But eventually his voice was ignored, and Northwest Frontier Province was made to merge with Pakistan. So if you will look at map, somewhere here, okay, in Pakistan side, we had this Northwest Frontier Province. So Abdul Ghaffar Khan did not wanted to join Pakistan. He was against this two-nation theory. But situations were such, so he was forced, and the Northwest Frontier Province was merged with Pakistan. What was the third problem now? Okay, yes, two of the Muslim majority provinces, okay, which were directly under the control of British, not princely states, provinces, okay, that is Punjab and Bengal, had a very large areas where non-Muslims were in majority. See, Punjab was one area, Bengal was one area जहाँ पे Muslims बहुत ज़्यादा थे, but Muslims in comparison to other states बहुत ज़्यादा थे, other provinces बहुत ज़्यादा थे, but वहाँ पर non-Muslims भी बहुत ज़्यादा थे, that is apart from Muslims. So अब अगर आपको रिलीजियस बेसिस पे करना है तो यहाँ पे अगर आप दूसरे स्टेट्स के मुकाबले देखो, लाइक इफ़ आई विल शो यू द मैप, ओके, in comparison to other states we had a majority in Bengal and Punjab that वहाँ पे Muslims ज़्यादा है, but वहाँ पे non-Muslims भी बहुत ज़्यादा थे. So अब आप partition कैसे करोगे? This was another difficulty. Was decided to bifurcate according to religious majority, okay, at district and lower level. So what was decided? That partition will take place on religious basis only, but district or lower level के basis पे, okay. Also decision could not be made by the midnight of 14th August. Large amount of people did not know on the day of independence whether they were in India or Pakistan. These two provinces caused the deepest trauma of partition. So what was third basic challenge? That in the areas of Punjab and Bengal, Muslims were there if we are comparing the whole India, but वहाँ पर non-Muslims भी बहुत ज़्यादा थे. तो 14-15 August midnight तक भी decision नहीं हो पाया. Also when India was about to attain independence, most of the people in India were not aware that will they be part of Pakistan or will they be part of India. So these two provinces caused the deepest trauma in partition, okay. Fourth was the problem of minorities on both sides of border. Lakhs of Hindus and Sikhs in the areas that were in Pakistan and Muslims on the Indian sides of Punjab and Bengal. See, there were minorities. If I'll talk about Pakistan, so which religion would be in majority? Obviously Muslims. And in India there would be Hindus. So in India who were minorities? Muslims. So Muslims at that time also, when India had to attain independence, and when Pakistan had to attain independence, Muslims here and Hindus here, okay, they did not know where will they go, and minorities were basically a threat. उन्हें लग रहा था कि ये मेजॉरिटी और रिलीजन बेसिस पे फॉर्म होने वाला है पाकिस्तान एंड इंडिया. So what will happen to us, because we are in a country where we are in minority? They were undesirable aliens in their own home where their ancestors lived for centuries. Now imagine where you have stayed for like 4 to 5 generations, and within a second and within a declaration of one day you are being said that you are minority in your own country and you are alien in your own country, and henceforth you have to leave that country. उसका impact कितना होगा, और violence और atrocities तो second part है, okay. These minorities on both sides became easy targets of attack. See, if what happened basically, if it was India, so India में Muslims were in minority, so they became easy targets of attack. Everything, if like people wanted to show their anger, they used to show by having their anger on minorities, okay. Same way in Pakistan, Hindus were in minority. So if Muslims wanted to show their anger towards anything, the minorities were the first who were targeted and killed. Led to extreme violence, which went basically out of control. Minorities on border left with no option except to leave their homes, often at a few hours notice. See, initially when this partition thing was going on, so government felt that this all trauma and this all violence is temporary. Once the things will settle, it will go smoothly. But violence was not over and it was not getting under control. So what happened lastly, गवर्नमेंट ने डिसाइड किया कि लिटरली फ्यू आवर्स के नोटिस पे जितने भी लोग बॉर्डर्स पे थे और माइनॉरिटी पे थे, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज़ पाकिस्तान एंड पाकिस्तान के यहाँ पे हिंदूज माइनॉरिटी में है, तो उन्हें बोला फ्यू आवर्स का नोटिस दिया एंड उन्हें बोला लीव पाकिस्तान एंड कम टू इंडिया. एंड हेयर इन इंडिया द मुस्लिम्स वर इन माइनॉरिटी, तो उन्हें जस्ट लास्ट में फ्यू आवर्स का नोटिस दिया एंड बोला टू गो टू पाकिस्तान. ओके, minorities on borders left with no option except to leave their home, often at a few hours notice.